Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And for today, I'm going to show you how you can create Midjourney prompts with ChatGPT. So the age of these AI programs is truly upon us. So why not learn how to utilize these effective tools to their full potential? So what we're going to learn today is how we can use ChatGPT to make some custom prompt profiles for us for use with the AI image generation program Midjourney. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to start with ChatGPT in order to give it some notes for creating Midjourney prompts we'd like for it to run. So go ahead and visit the website shown here in order to get the prompts that we're going to be giving ChatGPT. Now going back to ChatGPT, on the prompt box below, let's type down here are some notes for creating Midjourney prompts that we'd like for ChatGPT to understand. Then copy all the prompts from the Midjourney website and paste it here to ChatGPT. Now, once you've copied all the Midjourney prompts and sent them to ChatGPT, we want to add a second prompt. Let's type down that we want to use this formula to write Midjourney prompts. Now, follow along the video and type down this exact command line in order to give the formula to ChatGPT with writing Midjourney prompts. We're going to give it the commands image where prompting, 5 descriptive keywords or phrases, camera model and lens, lighting, style of photograph. Remember to separate each of these commands with a parenthesis. Now, once you give in this exact command line as shown in the video, ChatGPT should give you a response where it understands the formula that we've provided for it. Now, in order for ChatGPT to use the formula that we've fed to it, let's give it the prompt using the formula provided. Write me a prompt for a dog with wings and rocket feet. As you can see, ChatGPT will automatically use all the info that we've provided for it to make a perfect prompt specifically designed for Midjourney. This time, let's ask it for 5 Midjourney prompts of a dog with wings dressed as Superman, a super dog if you wish. Now go ahead and take this Midjourney prompt that ChatGPT has kindly made for us, and let's take it to the Midjourney bot on our personal Discord server. So with any Midjourney bot program on Discord, we're going to start off by giving it the command /imagine, and then after typing that command, let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT into it. After giving it some time, Midjourney has now used the prompt that we fed from it from ChatGPT and given us 4 really nice pictures of the generative image that we asked for. So, to show you the flexibility of this method for making Midjourney prompts, let's go back to ChatGPT. Then, let's take the prompt of the formula that we've given it, and we're going to change the formula to imager prompting, 5 descriptive keywords or phrases, art style, artist name, art medium. Now, after giving the ChatGPT this prompt and receiving its positive response, let's ask it for 5 new Midjourney prompts. This time, let's ask it for 5 Midjourney prompts of a dog with wings dressed as Superman using the new formula. Now, after giving ChatGPT some time in order to generate the prompts for us, go ahead and choose one that you like and copy it, and let's go back to Discord to our Midjourney bot and input that prompt into the Midjourney prompt itself. So go ahead and follow the same steps, which is /imagine, and copy the prompt from ChatGPT into the Discord text box. And there we go. We now have another 4 AI-generated Midjourney images using the prompt and formula that we've provided for ChatGPT. As you can see, we can even go back to ChatGPT and just ask it to make a 3D CGI rendition of the previous prompts. Remember, you can always feed any of these prompts back into Midjourney to see the effects instantly. And congratulations, you now know how to use ChatGPT to make perfect Midjourney AI prompts to make very specific AI-generated images. If you have any other questions or inquiries, leave a comment down below and like this video if you've learned something new. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this kind of content, And thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you all in the next one.